Kenneth Niedermeyer from 90 Day Fiancé has finally admitted to missing his life and family in Florida, despite being happy with Armando Rubio in Mexico. Kenneth and Armando are one of the most loved couples on the show ever, and viewers have loved their storyline so far. The 58-year-old grandpa left his home country and his kids to be with the love of his life, the 32-year-old Armando. In Mexico, the couple had a rough time making Armando's family accept their relationship, and Kenneth had difficulty adjusting to Mexican culture. Gradually, the two were finally able to hop over all the hurdles, including the permission to get married to each other. Their entire journey has been full of many emotional ups and downs. During the last season, Armando finally opened up to his parents about his sexuality and told them that he was moving out. When Kenneth first moved to Mexico, he was welcomed with a homophobic slur from a bypasser. Then, the 90 Day Fiancé couple was denied getting married in Mexico. Luckily, they got the approval and tied the knot off-screen in May 2021. Even though Kenneth and Armando are very happy with each other, one thing still bothers them. Kenneth has lived the majority of his life in the United States and 16 years in St. Petersburg, Florida. He made a big sacrifice by moving to Mexico after leaving his family in Florida. It is natural that he still misses his old life, home, his grandson, and 4 kids. While talking to Tampa Bay Times, the 90 Day Fiancé star spoke about why he prefers Florida over Mexico. He said that he misses a lot of things about St. Pete and all of the Tampa Bay area. The TLC star Kenneth talked about how he spent close to 2 decades there and raised his family there, making that area and the memories unbelievably special. Armando's husband also spoke about general differences between Mexico and his hometown. He loves St. Pete because of how open and diverse it is. As an openly gay man, he felt easy and really safe to raise his children there. He added, "It is wonderful in that area. That was a little bit of a shock coming here. There's still a lot of progress to be made. It is sad to see that Kenneth isn't able to experience the same freedom in Mexico." However, their request to get married was approved. So, that is some kind of progression. After the big wedding, Kenneth and Armando's future goals are to make some important changes that 90 Day Fiancé fans can see in the current season. Kenneth also talked about his immediate future, saying he will be in Florida in October for his daughter's baby delivery. He also revealed that Armando won't be joining him because he still can't go to America yet. It is nice to see that Kenneth's kids are supportive of his decision, even though they don't like that he is so far away. Hopefully, the pandemic won't keep the 90 Day Fiancé star Kenneth away from his kids any longer.